Hello everybody. Bought this for my girlfriend for Valentine's Day. And they said if it comes broken, let us know. I was like, hey, might as well open it before Valentine's Day and check it out. It's a spice rack with jars, so it says. Oh. Vor shape. Check out the box. Nothing fancy on the box. It's almost like it came from a warehouse versus something that would have been on a shelf trying to get sex appeal and sale. Oh boy. Now it's just an unboxing. I want her to think that I never opened it. Comes with a pen. Oh, I think that's a Saltstone pen. Let's look in here. Comes with a funnel, tiered funnel that collapses down and looks all cute. Pour your ingredients in. Comes with tags. Looks like you could hang it and hold the wires. I did not know it was coming with that. That's pretty nice. Kind of makes it so it's easier on me. I was hoping it goes on the back of the oven for her. Oh, let's not break any of these. That'd be bad in the video. There we go. Now they give you a thing right away saying if any of these came broken. The labels for it. Looks like they want you to put the label on the top of the jar. Normally I get a cool little thing like this in here. Let's hope I get some. It says you're special. I show that on every video. Bunch of them. That's it. Them kind of look like if you go to get for a yard sale. Just a little bit bigger. Okay. Let's do some measuring. It did not come with that many jars. How many jars was it supposed to come with? I thought it would be totally full, as the picture shows. But then she can add some that she don't have. I'm trying to get it up on my computer right now, but internet's a bit slow. It says there will be a link in the bottom with 18 empty jars. Oh, they're all here. They're all tiny. Also cute. Yeah, they are little. We have, oh, I can't see my camera now. We have some, I don't think she'll notice that's open. Nope. Nope. Let's just undo one jar. Nice jar. Has huge sprinkler on top, which is good because I was worried that they wouldn't be like that. I was actually afraid they would just be empty. I thought it, or nothing there. I thought also it'd be a pop top. The lid feels super cheap. Feels like if you stripped it out, it'd be done for. Let's see how it fits on the rack. Fits on the rack very loosely. Look how much room there is there. I'd almost, don't know how it, shoot. Yeah, that's a lot of room. Here, I'll measure it out. I think I just moved my tape measure too. What'd I do with my tape measure? Guess I won't be measuring it. Just in case somebody wants to buy this and get different holders for it. It is 2 3/8 by, I'm going from that 11.5. There's 3 of them. Them just fit right in there. Look like they'd easily fall out. So if you tap one, you're going to knock them all over. There's a whole nother package below here full of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 18 there for sure. Bottom of it's all wrapped up nice. Very nice finish. You can tell it's going to stay there very nicely. It's not going to chip away. I'm putting these back so she don't even know I got in here. Except there's a big tear in it. Yeah. They didn't come broken. They come with plenty of these. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 2 sheets, so you can do them twice. There's 18 jars. Yeah, and in the description will be a link to where I got this. It was only 20 bucks. Thanks for watching.